Husky. First, we have their contract address. Here you can check it out. Their Binance Smart Chain. You must copy their contract address, paste it on your wallet, and buy these tokens. First, we have some information about Baby Husky SX. Welcome to Baby Husky SX. Today, I'm here to introduce you to our amazing Siberian Husky puppy, Nick, at just 4 months old. Nick is not only adorable, but he also has a very special dream. He wants to go to the moon. Nick is a real explorer. His soft, thick fur is a beautiful shade of black and white, and his blue eyes seems to reflect the immensity of the sky. Ever since he arrived at our house, he has shown an insatiable curiosity for everything around him. But what really fascinates him are the stars. Whenever we look up at the night sky, Nick sits with his front paws crossed and watches the stars as if he's waiting for his big trip. He imagines what it would be like to run across the lunar surface, feel the gravity, and reach the moon with Elon Musk's incredible X spacecraft. Next, we have that why we buy Baby Husky SX. SG Protocol Smart DeFi was a massive undertaking that lasted several years, involved more than 100 developers, testers, and auditors, and cost more than $1 million in development. Smart DeFi allow users to create the most advanced cryptographic token on the market with the security of being released already audited by PeakShield. Security. Baby Husky SX is secured and audited by PeakShield, which is extremely important for ensuring the security and integrity of projects in the cryptocurrency and blockchain technology space. PeakShield specializes in identifying vulnerabilities in smart contract and DeFi protocols. The audit helped detect flaws that could be exploited by attackers, preventing significant financial losses. Assets guarantee. Imagine a cryptocurrency not only affected by hype and crashes but also with a built-in safety net. That's what Baby Husky SX offers with assets backing. Each transaction in a Smart DeFi token contributes to a reserve fund called assets backing. This fund holds real assets such as BNB, USDT, or any other currency the project has chosen at launch. This reserve grows continuously, creating a minimum price for the token. The base value of the token will not fall below this floor even if the market crashes. This stability protects you from scams and pump and dump schemes. You can finally hold and trade tokens that have real values, not just monetary hype. Next, we have their tokenomics. Baby Husky SX has a total supply of 100 billion tokens, where 100% of our total token supply was allocated to our pre-sale event. Here you can check it out, their tokenomic details. Assets guarantee 1%, burning 1 to 4%, liquidity injection 1.7%, marketing 3%, reward stake 0 to 2%, reflection 0 to 1%, protocol fees 5%, and their total tax by 7% and sale 7%. You must invest here and earn a lot of profit. Next, we have their roadmap, Baby Husky SX roadmap. The roadmap detailed the team goals guiding their plan for growth and expansion of the project. Here you can check it out, their roadmap. Phase 1, logo creation, team building, website development, and contract creation. Phase 2, creating social network, community building, marketing launch. Phase 3, pre-sale launch, project launch, community expansion. Phase 4, listing on CoinMarketCap, listing on CoinGecko, and marketing. Phase 5, listing 1, listing 2, and listing 3. This is a fabulous project. Next, we have their social platform like their YouTube channel, their TikTok account, their Twitter account, and their Telegram community. You must join their Telegram community for the latest update, and you can also follow them on their Twitter account. Here you can see their latest news and posts right here. This is an outstanding platform. Next, I'm showing you their white paper. Here you can see their white paper introduction. Baby Husky SX was created with the intention of being a meme coin for the Siberian Husky dog bred with the aim of reaching the moon with Elon Musk's SpaceX. You must check it out, their whole white paper. This is an amazing platform. You must invest here and earn a lot of profit. So if you're looking for the next big thing in crypto, keep an eye on Baby Husky with its strong fundamental, unique feature, and high growth potential. It positioned to be a major player in the blockchain space. Don't miss out and consider joining their social media link. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on exciting crypto projects. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.